How to add icon with box to a button in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add an icon with a box or a box within an icon that is going to be represented into the shapes to the Wix website of yours. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and you're going to see the site's dashboard. So as you can see, this is it. We're going to select from here the Wix website that we want to add the modification with. For example, this one. I'm going to wait for a few seconds and here we have the dashboard ready. Now I'm going to be making sure that we are going to be on the setup or the home page to get the button of edit site so we can access the Wix editor. So click on edit site, wait for a few seconds, and here we have our website. Now what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the space that is going to be empty a little bit, because we do not want to ruin these designs or this perfection. I would like to call a perfection. So as you can see, we have some sections. So let's say that you do not have some space right there, but I'm going to let you see how you can set up the thing. So I'm going to add a new section. Add a section by clicking on this button. Now we are going to add some elements. Click on add from here elements, or you can click from here. Now I'm going to start by adding a button. So we are going to select a button and then we are going to add it like this one. I'm going to change the color of it because we have a lot of reddish. So I'm going to click on design, customize design, background fill. So we're going to show this color. Now this is better. Now what we're going to do also is to add another element. From here we are going to click on decoratives, so we can see that we have icons, we have everything. So I'm going to see here that we have the standard thing, themed lines, basic shapes like these, and etc. So we can have this, as you can see here, button or the play button. I'm going to start with the most simple one, which is going to be the play button. I can go ahead and have the play button just like that. And we can go ahead and put the design of it. So I can go ahead and have here are the borders. You can activate the borders, or you can go ahead and apply the shadow, or you can go ahead and set up some settings, not for the setting, but we can go ahead and have something else. So this is going to be something that we can normally design within the specific, as you can see here, designer or the inspector. So we can go ahead and have it like this. I'm going to deactivate the borders because we do not need it anymore. We can go ahead and apply the color, or the not the same color, but maybe a white color. So we can go ahead and have it here and add it to our button. I would like to put it like this, but I'm going to let a little bit of a part so it is going to be distinguishable like that. So this is a vector art. Um, Basically, I would like to change the, let's say here, the vector art to something else. Maybe I can go ahead and have, so what I am going to do now is to open up the toolbox, add a toolbar, and you're going to find something like that. I'm going to make this button a little bit smaller like this and put it here like that. So as you can see, it has changed. Now we can go ahead and select the, as you can see here, the shape, and we can modify, for example, the position of it, or we can have, for example, the flipping, the angles, rotations. We can arrange it, align it, or whatever. So this is a play button. You can also modify the button itself by setting up the position of it, or you can click on settings for the button and it is going to open up the setting or the design of it, like the text, the borders. For example, I can go ahead and apply some borders if I want, or the corners, and etc. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.